Welcome to the safety demonstration model of Hindustan Zinc Limited Chanderia lead zinc smelter. EOT crane. This is a simulation of the electric overhead travelling crane in the Chanderia plant. The crane has safety stoppers in all the three axes, that is X, Y and Z axis, that prevent it from going beyond operational safety limits. Confined space. This simulation of a typical confined space demonstrates the safety precautions taken when any manual work is to be done inside the confined space. Before sending any worker inside, a thorough check is carried out by the safety department. The permitted limit of oxygen inside the space is of 19 to 23% to be maintained throughout the process.